Hello, my friend. I'm Leo. I'm happy you're here. I will speak slowly and clearly. You only need to repeat out loud. Just 15 minutes every day. Repetition is the key to success. Ready? Let's begin. Shadowing is simple. Listen and speak at the same time, like an echo. Don't translate, don't stop, just copy the sound, tone and rhythm. Try it. Repeat after me. I want to speak English fluently. I listen to English every day. Shadowing helps me speak better. Great! That's shadowing. Rule 1. Short chunks. One short sentence at a time. Rule 2. Slow first, then a little faster in recap. Rule 3. Every day 5 to 15 minutes. I wake up at 7. I open the window. I make my bed. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I take a quick shower. I get dressed. I make coffee or tea. I eat a small breakfast. Recap. Wake up, brush my teeth, get dressed, eat breakfast. I walk to the bus stop. I wait for the bus. The bus arrives. I get on the bus. I find a seat. I listen to a podcast. I get off near my work. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. And you? Recap. Walk, wait, get on, listen, get off. I plan my tasks. I start with one small task. I focus for 20 minutes. I take a short break. I drink some water. I finish my task. Recap. Plan. Start small. Focus. Break. Finish. It's lunchtime. I eat with my friend. I choose soup and salad. I talk about my day. After lunch, I go for a walk. Fresh air helps me. Micro-dialogue. What are you having for lunch? I'm having soup and salad. Recap. Eat, talk, walk, fresh air. I pack my bag. I head home. I change my clothes. I cook a simple dinner. I clean the kitchen. I relax on the sofa. I read for 15 minutes. I get ready for bed. I set my alarm. Good night. Recap. Cook, clean, relax, read, sleep. That's today's practice. Keep these sentences with you all day. Speak out loud for a few minutes later, on your walk, in the kitchen, anywhere. 15 minutes every day. Repetition builds confidence. You're doing great. Next time, weekend routines. Easy phrases for plans, times, and invitations. We'll practice short dialogues you can use on Saturday. If this was helpful, save this lesson and join me in the next one.